Hello everyone, my name is Pratham Suryavanshi. My groupmates are Akshay Darte, Ganesh Kilkandre and Prashant Pavle. So we have chosen the topic for our presentation is digital image processing for defense application. So here is the index which contains the slides. So introduction. So digital image processing is a method to works of digital image and its algorithm for get some useful information of it. So purpose of digital image processing in defense application is that so we get some meaningful information from it and we can enhance the image from it. So it can be used by means it can be used for the analyze the situation and make the decision. So here is the introduction and we have implemented our results on the MATLAB software. So we have come with these objectives that to detect the suspicious activities of enemies, to track the upcoming disasters, and to analyze the harsh climate, as well as to plan and build the infrastructure for condition of war. So theoretical concept. We have so for the theoretical concept for and considering our objectives, we have four concepts. That is, first one is converting the image into HSV image. Means our normal image is in the form of RGB image, that is red, blue, green, and so we have to convert the image into the HSV image, that is hue, saturation, and value, which provide the brighter image and more enhanced image for us. The next concept is power law transformation. Then power law transformation is basically the combination of log transformation as well as anti-log transformation, which enhances the darker points as well as the brighter points as per our need, or by changing the value of that gamma. And Laplacian transformation, third one is Laplacian transformation, which is used to enhance the sharpness of the image, and complement of image, which used to convert this means brighter image to darker and darker image to brighter image. So here is our block diagram, in which first the image is taken, then pre-processing. In pre-processing, the image is taken in such way that is definitely satisfy our algorithm for that. Then after that, after pre-processing, our three or four main objectives are there. So here is means further process for that objectives, means SSV image and complemental image is used for the enemy detection. So and for the surface condition to means know the surface condition, the Laplacian transform is used. And for that climate conditions, means to check whether the climate conditions are okay or not, the power law transformation is used. So after that we collect the data and post processing is done, and we classify the image as well as data. So methodology, Laplacian transformation, which it is used to enhance the sharpness of image. So by converting the value of alpha and beta, we can enhance the means we can adjust the sharpness of image. Power law transformation means by changing the value of gamma, we can enhance the brighter spots as well as the lighter means darker spots. So this image shows how we can change the value of gamma and how we can get the output. So for the enemy detection, we have means we can use the histogram adjusting as well as contrast adjusting. Also by converting the image into HSV, we can track the enemies for that. So this is our methodology. Then finally we have come to the implementation part. So we have for the enemy detection, we have used the HSV image, so we have implemented in that, so it is easy to track the enemies. Power law transformation, here we can see that we have the different values of gamma, so we can see we can enhance the darker image as well as the brighter image. So by changing the gamma, we have implemented that. Then Laplacian transform, here we can see original image and Laplacian image. So in Laplacian image, the image is more sharper than original, so we have done that. And also complement of image, so for the detection, the complement of image is also there, and we can contrast the image so that we can get the output. So here is the conclusion, we have implemented and as well as defined the digital image processing in defense application. So we have satisfied our algorithms like enemy detection, climate conditions and surface conditions for that. So these are our references, and thank you.